To troubleshoot Bill4Time expense entry, start by reviewing the basics of expense tracking in the system. Ensure you have the necessary permissions and access to the expense entry feature. First, verify that the expense account is set up correctly, including the account name, description, and type. Check that the expense category is properly assigned to the correct client and project. Next, confirm that the date and amount of the expense are accurate. Ensure the expense is linked to the correct invoice or project, and that the billing status is set to billable or non-billable as applicable. If you encounter an error while submitting an expense entry, check the error message for specific details. Common issues include duplicate expense entries, invalid dates, or insufficient permissions. To resolve these issues, try deleting any duplicate entries, updating the date to a valid range, or contacting your system administrator to request the necessary permissions. Best practices for expense entry in Bill4Time include regularly reviewing and approving expenses, using clear and descriptive expense names, and maintaining accurate and up-to-date records. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently troubleshoot Bill4Time expense entry issues and ensure accurate and timely expense tracking. Regularly reviewing the system's documentation and seeking support from the Bill4Time community or support team can also help you stay up to date with the latest features and troubleshooting techniques.